kind of a gray day. Kind of a rainy, gray day. But I'm not gray on the inside, no siree. I just had the most quality time with my weekly today. I just read it and it is rich. Another fantastic week here at Bethel. Some people say that when it's raining, God's crying. Well, if he's crying, it's tears of joy, I tell you, because I love rainy days. Oh, the rain comes and fills up the gullies and the gutters, and well, that reminds me, we need somebody to come and fill up the communion cups on Saturday, just once a month, for communion on Sunday morning. We really need to build our communion team. Well, Banning is still in England again this week, so kind of on my own. The heavens are opening with rain. Coincidentally, we have a conference called the Open Heavens Conference coming up. Unfortunately, it is just about sold out. They are selling tickets for the overflow room only. And if folks come on Friday nights, usually they might not be able to come on Friday nights unless they have a ticket. So they should check next week for more information. Raindrops keep falling on my face. Da 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 da. Read the weekly. The overhead operators are so important for the worship at our church. We need to train a whole new crop. I wish more folks would just contact Susan Johnson. Her number is in the weekly, and just let her know they're interested in finding out more. That's all. Just want to find out more. Hi, Susan. This is Robbie or Pete, whatever. I have to admit, I am kind of missing him. He's my muse. But one thing's for sure, I am quite positive he is missing me far more than I am missing him. Positive.